Welcome to the demo video of Odoo to Microsoft Fabric Connector by Techfinna. Seamlessly connect Odoo to Fabric, simplify your workflow, amplify your efficiency. So on our Fabric interface, we'll start by creating a copy job and giving it an appropriate name. In our case, we'll set it to Odoo data. After creating the copy job, we'll select the data source as REST, and once the module is installed, you'll get a base URL and token in the settings of your Odoo interface. After copying the base URL, we'll set the connection name. In our case, we'll set it to Odoo pipeline. In the relative URL, we'll write the name of the model whose data we want to fetch. In our case, we'll write sale order. And in the additional header, we'll set the name authorization. And for the value, we'll use the access token from our Odoo interface. Now click on preview data and you'll be able to see the data. We'll click on next. And send our data to a new lake house. Let's set it name to sale_order. After clicking save and run, you can see our update method as overwrite. Next, we'll select full copy, save and run. As you can see, our pipeline has been established. Wait for the data. And within few seconds, our data from Odoo is available inside our Fabric Lakehouse. We can check our copy job details and to verify the final results, we can open the table. As you can see on the interface, the sale.order data is now successfully loaded and accessible inside Fabric.